Hello everyone, this is Jack and family. If it is your first time to see our video, kindly subscribe, hit notification bell such that you can be notified whenever we post. Join me to make rice. We are making fried rice. We locally call it Pillao because of the spices we are going to put. They are called Pillao masala. We have our circuit. We bought it on Amazon, which we have put the spices. After frying the rice and the spices together, then we put it in the rice cooker to cook. Join me. This is Jack and family.